If there's ever a problem with your linear smart garage door opener's backup battery, the operator will sound an audible alarm, consisting of a series of beeps, whenever the garage door is stopped in the open position. If you hear an audible alarm consisting of 4 beeps, your battery is no longer holding a charge and will need to be replaced. Note, your operator requires a 12-volt 5.4 amp-hour maintenance-free sealed lead-acid battery. You can purchase this battery through your linear professional. Replace the battery by following these steps. First, unplug your garage door operator. This is essential to prevent you from getting an electric shock while replacing the battery. Next, remove the operator housing via the 4 screws on the sides of the unit. Once you remove the operator housing, you'll see a battery box. Disconnect the battery wire leads from the battery terminals. And then remove the old battery. Note, depending on your model, you'll either need to press down on a retention tab and slide your old battery out, or you'll need to remove the battery box screws, detach the battery box entirely, and then take out the old battery. You'll then want to dispose of the old battery according to your local regulations. Next, insert the new battery into the battery box. Note, pay attention to the location of the battery terminals and insert the battery in a direction where the terminals can be accessed later. If needed, reattach the battery box to the operator using the battery box screws. Next, connect the battery wire leads to the battery terminals. Connect the red wire's terminal lead to the battery's positive terminal that's marked with either a red square sticker or a positive sign. Then connect the black wire's terminal lead to the battery's negative terminal marked with either a black square or a negative sign. Reattach and secure the operator's housing with the 4 screws on the sides. Congratulations! You're done replacing the battery. You will no longer hear 4 beeps whenever your garage door is stopped in the open position. If the 4 beeps persist, please use the contact information shown on screen.